Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. Today we're going to make a ruffle or pleats or gather just simple top. So we're going to use this orgasm and this, which I've already done. Put up today, and I'm going to show you what I did to each pieces, because I'm going to use the elastic thread to do the gathering. Hold on. Elastic thread is going to be using today. This is, I don't know if you are seeing it, guys. This is the elastic thread. I have the pieces. We're going to gather it with the elastic thread, which I've done one here, and I've already started doing it. So when I'm doing the elastic is it smoking, they call it here, smoking. So I'm going to show you the video when I'm doing the smoking. So this is one I did. I use elastic to gather this because the fabric is, the sequence fabric itself is stretching, and so that is the reason why I want to use the elastic to gather it. And so this is just I've not cut the sleeve, gonna have sleeves, and so this is one I've done so far. So I'm going to show you guys when I'm doing the rest. So I should show you the pieces. So I cut this, so I'll be right back. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and if you've subscribed already, thanks for coming. So guys, this is one I run my thread on. This is one I just run thread on. So you just have to pull one of the thread, just pull it firmly. So I decided to choose one, so I just have to pick one of the thread. This because I run thread stitch through this one, so you have to put one of the thread to get the gathering. So when you pull it, the second one is the second logic if you want to use it. So this is the elastic one. As you can see, when you're doing the elastic one, you see it's gather itself. You see that, you see the ruffle. So this is how we're going to use the elastic one to, you see how the gather is, and the ruffle is so pretty. So I'm going to use the elastic gather like that. So I think I'll go for the elastic one. So guys, this is the two sleeves. All done. I'm going to draw the other one. So this is it. is the sleeve. We need to join these sleeves together. So just for you to look for the middle parts and attach it to the middle. Look for the middle part and attach it to the other middle one, to the seam. So seam to seam, then you sew together. Taking it to my machine, I'm going to sew it together and do the same to the other one. So look for the seam, the middle seam, then join it together. So this is our top piece already. Ooh. So guys, this is the finished ruffle top. Yeah, this is the finished ruffle top. See how puffy it is, and this is the back. So this is the inner part. Let me take the pin. This is the inner part. It's glitz. So it's all done. So I'm going to put buttons or zip. So I think buttons will 3 or 4 buttons will be okay. So thanks for watching. Bye. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.